Hello friends, welcome to CAD, where I help you with your day-to-day needs. So, as you can see, it's my first ever video. I would love to get some feedback in the comment section below. If you like my video, if it helped you save money filing your own taxes, make sure you click that like button below the video. Also, subscribe to my channel where I will be posting day-to-day needs video which will help you managing your finances and a day-to-day life. So, as I told you, I'm going to help you file your own taxes. As you all know, the tax season is around the corner, and when it arrives, it brings tax refunds, tax credit, and much more. But the sad part of it is to pay your accountant to file your taxes. No one likes to pay money. How about you do your own tax filing using a simple and a user-friendly website? We will net file the taxes to CRA using a simple tax website. So before further ado, let's jump right into it. Before we start, we have to make sure that we have all the forms needed to file the taxes. Here's the list to mention some of them. T4 slips, which you usually get from your employer. If you didn't get it yet, go get it. You will need it to file your taxes. If you got your EI last tax year, make sure you get that thing. T3, T5s, which you usually get from your financial institute, make sure you get that thing. If you earn any dividend, interest, even from your savings account, mutual funds, bond, make sure you get it. So if you're in school, make sure you get T2202A from your school. If you got your social assistance or worker compensation last year, make sure you got your T5007. So as we have all our slips, let's start your first ever self-tax filing. Hey guys, so let's get started. Click on the link in the description. It will take you to the SimpleTax website. As you can see here, I will go over the website and just show you around quickly. Well, as you are here to fill your taxes for 2018, you click on Start Your 2018 Taxes. Once you click on it, it should take you to the page like you see on the video. Now, as you see, you have two options here. You should click on I am new to SimpleTax as you're filing your taxes for the first time. So here we are. Next page is Welcome to SimpleTax. At this point, I highly recommend that you create your account. I'll go into detail what are the benefits later in this video. So you click on sign up, then you enter your email twice and click on continue. So for now, as this is just for illustration, I'm skipping this, but again, I highly recommend to create your account as it will help you to save your data in previous year tax filings. So once you have successfully signed up, you should see a similar page. It starts with asking your basic information. So you fill your name, SIN, date of birth, and preferred language. So as you see, I have filled one up for you for a reference. As you see, the SIN is in the red box just because it is a made-up number, not an actual SIN. Use your own information. Do not lie on tax filing. Then you should scroll down to the next section, which is about your mailing address. Fill it up with your current mailing address. Again, as you see, an example filled for you. So scroll down to your residence section. Again, fill it up with your information. I have done one for you here. After that, you will have a new section asking about your family information, asking about your marital status and your dependents. Then it comes to a tricky section, asking your miscellaneous information. Tricky, but pretty straightforward. Don't lie, be honest and genuine. Once that section is done, it did jump to a new section, like actual new one. It was introduced this year, so it's new for me as well. No worries, SimpleTax has covered us. Just click on a highlighted sentence and it should pop up a new tab with the information on that cushion. Go through it and select if you will claim it or not. Again, you do the same thing with your provincial benefit. For this case, as I have selected Ontario as my resident province, I have a question about the Ontario Trillium benefit. If you are living in different province, you might be having different benefits. So again, click on the highlighted sentence. It should pop up the new tab where you go through the guidelines and see if you are eligible to claim any of those benefits. Once that's done, next question is asking you if you have your CRA account. That's CRA My Account. If you're registered for CRA My Account, click yes. It should autofill most of your tax slips. So again, for this example, I'm selecting no because this is the made up name, made up scene. I don't have CRA My Account with this made up name. But if you have, please do select yes. It will autofill your taxes and it's super convenient, trust me. So now it comes the most interesting part where you fill the information from all your tax forms. If you linked your My CRA account in the previous section, you should have seen some forms already filled for you. So as you see, I have my tax forms and website side by side now, which makes it easy to fill in the information. Once it's done, just click on the search bar and search for your form using name or the number on the form. Once you click on suggestion, you should see something similar. As you can see, there are some boxes which needs to be filled. Just copy the information from your tax form to the website. And if you need to add any more boxes, there's a section called other boxes here where you can add whatever boxes you want. So I have some example filled out for you, starting from T4, that's your employment income. As you see, I have just copied the number from tax form to the website. As simple as this. Like, it's not a rocket science, it's just copying. Now here I have another form to claim on my taxes. That's T4E. I should just go to the search bar again and search for the form number T4E, and it will give you suggestions. Just click on it and you have some more boxes to be filled using the information on your tax form. Again, as simple as this. Now I will quickly show you a couple more examples for most common tax forms you will see. So here you go. So now with these examples, I think you have excelled your skills. Again, you can search and fill all the text forms you have using the same search bar. You can add as much as forms you have, and also make sure you claim all the forms when you're filing your taxes. These forms I showed you are one of the most common claims you will do on your taxes. But there is one more which you would like to know how to file, because that will be the second most common you will see on your tax files. That's your RRSP contribution. You would find in the recommendation section of the search bar if you search for RRSP contribution. Just click on it and open. A new form will pop up. First question you should answer would be about your contribution limit for the year 2018. You can find it easily on your latest notice of assessment, online on CRA My Account, or by calling to CRA. Enter the amount in the box given. Also, if you linked your CRA My Account, it should autofill this information. So that's why I do recommend just link your CRA My Account. You don't have to worry about this next. For the second question, you should select how much contribution you made in the year 2018. Just select appropriate contribution type, description, and amount. If you did more than one contribution, add all of them using add another contribution. Then answer if you took funds out from your RRSPs in year 2018 for lifelong learning program, that's LLP, or first time home buyers or home buyers plan. And at last, mention if you have any unused contribution from previous years. So that's as simple as answering from your notice of assessment. Once it's done, you scroll down to review section, which is the best part, as it checks and optimizes if there are any errors. Just click on the button and you will see all the errors or the warning you have on this tax filing. So as you can see, there are some warnings which are in yellow, for which you should just use your due diligence and proceed. If you find you don't need to change anything from your warnings, go ahead, just use your due diligence. Also, there are some errors which are in red, which needs to be fixed before you file your taxes. For this filing, there are many warnings and errors, as this filing is for reference only. Once all errors are fixed, you should see the summary section, which will show how much you will get in refund, or if there is any owing balance you will need to pay to CRA. Also, it includes your estimated GST, HST, any other benefits. For this particular example, it's Ontario Trillium benefit, as I've selected Ontario as my resident, and your contribution room for 2019. Again, all these numbers are just estimated values. You will get actual numbers when you get notice of assessment from CRA. And before we submit, you have access to all the documents, including your T1. Download the document now, or if you've created your account with Simple Tax, you can log in and download it anytime. At last, here comes the end, submit section. As you see the review error button, there you will see a submit button. Once all the error has been fixed, just click on it, submit your net file to CRA. Again, if you have any trouble submitting net file, please do check all the information again, because sometimes it's just a spelling mistake for your name or wrong SIN number. It won't let you net file. If you still have that error, or if you have any problem during this whole process, always you can go on the top right corner and click on the help. It will take you to Simple Tax Help Center, where you will get an answer to almost anything. Also, over that help section, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll try to help you as soon as possible. So once the taxes are filled, it will ask you for donation. You can select the amount you would like to donate. Again, it's optional, but think about it. It did save your time. It did save a lot of your money, right? Why not? So thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to CAD. Also mention in the comment section below what new videos you would love to see, which will help in your day-to-day life. Also comment what improvements you would like to see in my videos. Peace.